CinchKit has improved my renovation process by streamlining the cabinet ordering process. I do everything online. I measure my own cabinets, so there's no middleman for me. The ordering process with CinchKit is pretty simple.
CinchKit has saved us money because we do not need to change out the whole entire cabinet, but only the cabinet fronts. It's amazing the way that it comes packaged, because it does come packaged in per unit basis. The installation is fairly easy. You measure, you kind of put your hinges on, you pop 2 screws in, you level them out, and you're done.
When our prospects come in and we tour the model, they're very surprised with it being a 1994 property that we're able to offer a new product.
They actually have left reviews just on the cabinets.
So we're able to give them what they want at the price they want.
It makes a very big difference. It brings a new face.